Are you single, ready to mingle, and thinking a career in cooking might be your secret weapon? Well, buckle up, ladies. We're diving into the sizzling world of cooking classes in Atlanta that might just help you snag Mr. Right and probably whip up a killer souffle too. First up, let's talk about the cooking school at Irwin Street. This place is like the matchmaking hub for food lovers. Picture this: you sauteing like a pro beside other aspiring chefs, all while your future partner may just be trying not to chop off a finger. Who knew culinary school could double as a dating arena? So don't be surprised if you find romance amidst the garlic and onions. Next, we can't forget the Cook's Warehouse. This establishment offers hands-on classes with a side of flirtation. It's the perfect spot for meeting someone who appreciates the fine art of whisking. And remember, nothing says I'm a catch like knowing how to make the perfect risotto, because perishables, like potential partners, need a solid foundation. Finally, let's not ignore the Atlanta School of Culinary Arts. Whether you're perfecting your pastry skills or learning that lobster bisque isn't made of rubber, it's totally worth it. Just imagine mixing together an enticing dish and some flirtatious banter. Who knew that a sprinkle of salt could lead to a whole lot of sizzle in your dating life? So, single ladies, grab your aprons. These cooking classes are your ticket to not just culinary prowess, but maybe even finding your special someone. Happy cooking!